Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Naila Shafira and I am going to present about graphs of renewable energy and fossil fuels related to the air condition. First, we can see on the graph there are 7 different types of energy and the using of each energy is decreasing through years. Some of them decreasing by the use of the energy itself. According to the graph, the nuclear ran out before 2020, the oil will run out by the end of the 2070, while coal will run out by the end of the 2080. In early 2090, natural gas soon will run out and the hydro or geothermal soon will run out too by the end of the 2090. So there is only a few energy left for after the year 2100. Not only the energies will run out soon, the using of those energies also can pollute our air. For example, we use fossil fuel for our cars and trucks. Cars and trucks release nitrogen into the atmosphere. Nitrogen produced by burning fossil fuels that we use for our car, which contributes to nutrient pollution in our air and water. Nitrogen is the most abundant element in the air and is essential to plant and animal life. When fossil fuels are burned, they release nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere, which contribute to the formation of smoke and acid rain. The most common nitrogen-related compounds emitted into the air by human activities are collectively referred to as nitrogen oxide. Ammonia is another nitrogen compound emitted to the air, primarily produced from the agricultural activities, but also from fossil fuels. Most of the nitrogen oxides released in the US due to the human activities are from the burning of fossil fuels associated with transportation and industry. Major sources of nitrogen oxide emissions include cars and trucks, coal-fired power plants, large industrial operation, ships and airplanes. The presence of excess nitrogen in the atmosphere in the form of nitrogen oxides or ammonia is deposited back onto land, where it washes it into nearby water bodies. These excess nutrients contribute to pollution, harmful algae bloom, and oxygen-deprived aquatic zone. Excess ammonia and low pH in these areas are toxic to aquatic organisms and affect their survival. Solutions. There are many ways that can be a solution so businesses can reduce nutrient pollution, including: first, manage and reduce emission; second, increase energy efficiency; third, buy renewable energy. And as individual, we can also reduce nutrient pollution by doing conserving energy and minimizing the miles. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.